Guys, we got in early again. 1 billion supply. We've come down here. For those of you wonder, these are the trading venues where you can pick it up. Everybody's always asking. You got MEXC, you got Base, you got QuickSwap right here. QuickSwap, guys. You got OneSwap. That's Canton Network. You got CanTex. That's Canton Network. You got TradeCraft, which is Canton Network. Now, for those of you who've been buying it over on Base or having trouble on Base, I've been getting a lot of comments on that. The best way to do it, I noticed early on with buying USDC, because you need USDC to make that swapping pair. What I was doing, I would buy it, but it was taking a long time for it to clear for some reason. So my workaround, I buy my USDC over on Uphold, and then from Uphold, I send my USDC over to Coinbase, and then I just swap it like that. Works every single time. But for those of you who do understand how to use OneSwap and CanTex, you can pick it up over there as well. And CanTex is actually where I hold my Handl.